Hi guys. So there's a couple of changes to Microsoft Forms that's happened just recently over the summer. Interesting and maybe useful for some of you. If you have, for example, any forms that you've been doing on Word documents, you can now import these straight into a Microsoft form. So if you go to forms.microsoft.com. Now you'll notice there's a slight change to the interface as well now. They've split this up into a quiz or a form. And next to that, you've got this option to do a quick import. So you can now upload any quizzes that you might have set up in a Word document or a PDF file, and it does a reasonably good job of converting those to a Microsoft form. I did try and save a Google form as a PDF and import that. It did import the questions, but it put them all in different sections. So there is a little bit of tweaking to do afterwards, and you're going to have to decide whether it's worth spending the time on doing that. But if it's a basic Word document, it should go in without too much difficulty. The other thing that's useful to know is if you have some existing quizzes or you want to set up a new quiz, there's now the option to add a bit of a timer to your quizzes. So if you only want them to have a certain amount of time to complete that quiz, such as it's a 30-minute test or something like that, or you just literally want to give them 5 minutes to answer just a quick formative kind of assessment, then you've got the option to do that as well now. So if you go into one of your pre-existing quizzes, I'll just pick this digital skills one over here. What you'll find now is in the settings, if you scroll down a little bit where it's got options for responses, as well as starting and end dates, you can now set the time duration. So simply put a tick in this box and give them the amount of minutes you want them to be able to complete. And then when you preview, you can see now it has a 5-minute timer and a little message telling you that once you start, the timer is basically starting. You can't pause it once it's going. And after 5 minutes, if you have not completed, your results will be sent. Anyway, if I start this quiz, the timer is now counting down just at the top, just here, which you can hide if it's kind of a bit of a distraction to you. All right, so a couple of useful additional features to Microsoft Forms.